There is one thing which is common among all of us, and that is we love sweets. But do you know it is very dangerous for your health? How many of you think that whatever we eat, it makes an impact on your health as well? I'm sure 100% of you agree with this. But still, we are not caring about what we eat in our daily life. See, everybody wants to be a healthy lifestyle, healthy body, but nobody wants to eat the things which are necessary for our good health. In today's video, I will give you 3 types of poisons, and it's an eating poisons or white poisons name that can be very harmful for your health. So listen carefully till the end of this video so that you can grab maximum from this video. The first thing, the first white poison that to avoid is salt. Yes, salt. Many people in today's world like to have a salty food. If we take an example of pizza, everybody loves that. But do you know it has a lots of poison in it? Right? So we need a very little quantity of salt in our daily life. But some people actually sprinkle the salt on the food before they eat, maybe on salad also. But remember, how much salt you take in your daily life, it will impact the water absorption quality of your health body also. The second white poison that want to avoid is sugar. From the childhood, we are in the thinking that sweet things make us happy. That's why children love to have sweets, and that this habit of having sweets to make them happy gives and runs into their adult life as well. So everybody wants that after their food they want some dessert also, but only a 1 spoon of that dessert works well to have a taste in your mouth. It is not necessary to eat the full bowl of the dessert. And the third poison is white flour. White flour, that is, if you're eating an bread, if you're eating an pizza, if you're eating donuts, which is an huge quantity of sugar as well in that. So you should avoid these types of foods which are made from a fine grain of wheat. What happens is when you make a wheat in the fine grain, it lost all its nutrients. So avoid those types of things in your daily life. So friends, if you want to live a healthy life, you should keep watch on the what are you intaking in your body. Avoid these foods and you'll see a lot of difference in your life from today onwards. So remember, 3 white poisons for your health: salt, sugar, and white flour.